Hello everyone, welcome back to the Stock Channel. Today, we are delving into a popular investment avenue that offers exposure to real estate assets. Real Estate Investment Trust, commonly known as REITs. REITs are investment vehicles that own, operate or finance income-generating real estate properties. They allow investors to participate in the real estate market without directly owning physical properties, providing diversification, liquidity, and potential income through dividends. Here are some key benefits of investing in REITs. Diversification. REITs offer diversification benefits by investing in a portfolio of real estate properties across different sectors, locations, and asset classes. Income generation. REITs distribute a significant portion of their income to shareholders in the form of dividends, providing regular income streams for investors. Professional management. REITs are managed by experienced real estate professionals who handle property operations, maintenance, leasing, and investment decisions. Liquidity. Unlike direct real estate investments, REIT shares are traded on stock exchanges, offering liquidity and ease of buying and selling for investors. Tax advantages. REITs enjoy tax benefits including pass-through taxation, where they are required to distribute a majority of their income to shareholders, qualifying for tax-exempt status at corporate level. Real Estate Investment Trust (REITs) offer investors an accessible and diversified way to participate in the real estate market, generate income, and benefit from potential capital appreciation. By understanding the benefits, considerations, property types, performance factors, and market trends related to REIT investments, investors can make informed decisions and enhance their portfolio in the Indian stock market. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on investment strategies, market analysis, and emerging trends in the Indian stock market. Remember to conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and consult with financial experts before making any investment decisions. Happy investing!